Anyway, guys, Utirele posted on her Instagram story to say she's selling a stroller for 7,000 rand. She bought it for 9,000 rand. And people were like, what is going on? What do you mean? Why are you selling it? You could have just given to Amahle. Tirelos responded, shocked everyone. So without me wasting your time, let's get to sort of to the rest of the houses. Somebody please and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy 2026, happy Thursday. So guys, there were rumors that were circulating around the internet. There was a lady who posted a picture yampumelelo. He was at a hospital, public hospital, and people were shocked. Pumelelo has money. Why Amahle at public hospital? So guys, I respond when it comes to whether Amahle unengane or not. So this lady, she was telling Terelo what you could give to Amahle lestrola. Guys, I respond Terelo went on to say utshele ubani ukuthi Amahle unengane yekani ukuphapha sisi. So according to Terelo umnakwabo, Amahle, she doesn't have a baby. Guys, I don't understand why a picture yampumelelo. He was at the hospital. Maybe he went there for something else. The lady says that I cannot take her picture, but I can take a picture yampumelelo, guys. And she really took a picture yampumelelo, and we can see with umpumelelo, he was at the hospital. What is going on? Unless there's another woman who just gave birth, not Amahle, guys. So people are now confused. What is going on? What do you mean when you say Amahle akanangani? So anyway, guys, we're gonna find out maybe on Zingane September season 3. So it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Thursday, happy. Bye.